Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we have completed with 16 blocks, isn't it, children? And I hope you have enjoyed your Sankranti vacation very nicely, very happily. Yes, so we have completed with 16 blocks. So, today we have to start with the 17th block, which is desert region. Okay, we have different desert. In India, we have Thar Desert, isn't it, children, near Rajasthan? Not only in India, we have in different places of the world we have deserts. Okay, and if you see, children, the we have learned that the climate of a place influences many things. Based on the climate, we it the way we live depends, isn't it, children? That means the way we live, that is the food we eat, the crops we grow, the clothes we wear. Yes, all this depends on the climate. Yes, and also the plants. So based on the climate only the plants will grow, isn't it, children? Yes, in cold regions we can see only the corn shaped trees, isn't it, children? And in desert region, the small trees with thorns in it. Yes, so based on the climate, plants also, and also the wildlife. So in cold regions you can see animals which have more fur on their body, so that fur keeps them warm, isn't it? And if you see desert region, the animals you can see with less fur, because it is already hot. So based on the climate, there are many things that influence. This climate influences many people, not only humans but also the animals and plants, isn't it, children? And if you see our world different regions, the different climatic conditions, there are four different climatic condition all over the world we can see. Okay, in that you have desert region, tropical forest, that is the forest region, temperate grasslands where you can find the grasslands. Okay, and arctic thunder region, that is very cold, or it is all arctic thunder region is also called as polar region. Okay, so these are the different climatic conditions you can observe all around the world. And this block we are reading the desert region, and the next blocks are about tropical forest, temperate grasslands, and arctic thunder region. Okay, so block wise we will learn uh, each and every climatic condition in details. That means where it is, the climate of this region, people, vegetation, that means the plants which grow in that region, the wildlife, what are the different animals which we can see in that region, that we will learn block wise. And in this block we are going to learn about the desert region. Okay, children, so for this topic I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please open your social content book, once go through the few lines which it is given in the content book, page number 106, social content book 106. Okay, so understand it, try to read it, try to understand it, try to underline the keywords in your content book, and try to understand where you can use, where it is, where these keywords are used in the given paragraph. Okay, so there are no question answers also for this, children. There is no volume book also for this topic. I have taken only small part of it. Okay, tomorrow we will learn about the location and climatic condition of this desert region. Okay, so for this topic, this small introduction of the climatic condition, influence of the climatic conditions, the keywords I have given, learn the spellings, it will be useful for you. Okay, that is only your homework also, learning the keywords which I have given in the daily schedule. Okay, and tomorrow we will learn the actual location of the desert region, climate of the desert region. Okay, children, so see you in the next class. Bye.